So what I have here is the Realme P4 Lite. This is part of the P4 series. And this one has a 7,000 milliamp hour capacity. So one of the largest battery capacity in this price segment. So aside from that, meron tayong 6.8 inch 120 Hz ultra smooth display. So tara, unbox natin to. So of course, may AI din ito as with any phones na lumalabas sa panahon ngayon. Yun, make it real. Alright, so meron tayong free jelly case. Nice. And a couple of paperwork. And of course, a SIM ejector tool. Akala ko kanina wala. Ayan. And meron tayong preview ng design ng Realme P4. And of course, meron tayong power brick and a charging cable. USB Type-C to Type-A. And finally, the Realme P4 Lite. Kung makikita nyo, medyo familiar siya, pero kakaiba yung design niya. Kasi even though meron siyang pa-rectangular shape dyan, wala talaga siyang camera bump. So this one is a smooth textured finish. Tapos dito parang ano siya, a rubbery texture na glossy. So we have a couple of cameras, a flash, and of course yung ating Realme logo here. Then we have our SIM card tray here, and then our volume rocker, power button, and then we don't have anything here. And sa baba, meron tayong, 3.5mm headphone jack, primary microphone, USB Type-C port, and our speaker. Ganda. Medyo curvy ang kanyang corners and edges, pero yung sides niya ay flat. Masarap hawakan. Alright, so sabay-sabay tayong tignan yung user interface niya for the first time. There you go. So ito yung user interface ng ating Realme P4 Lite. So a few pre-installed applications, pero madali naman yan i-install. So I'm excited to test this out and share with you my final thoughts. So follow for the full review. Thank you for watching.